A solution to the current world economic crisis could be called an open source economy. To explain what an open source economy is and could be, let's compare it to the free market capitalist economy. Open source is essentially the opposite to capitalism. In a capitalist system, intellectual property, inventions, designs, ideas, engineering methods, schematics, etc. are patented, copyrighted, trademarked, and information is withheld by groups and individuals so only they are able to maximize profit from them. This way, they gain an advantage over others by not allowing anyone without the legal rights to see any of their now private information. Open source, on the other hand, is exactly the opposite. The words open source mean the source of the product, the technology, or whatever we're talking about is open for everyone to see, to use, to change, to expand on, to improve on, etc. So it benefits the inventor and everyone else at the same time. It promotes an equal sharing, collaborative culture for everyone. And there are very simple open source licenses that will keep the work and open source products open source. There already exists an open source culture in the world today. Many people use open source software like Ubuntu, and we're now starting to see this trend spread into hardware. Open source hardware and technology is a growing culture and is and will continue to facilitate free access to how to create a lifestyle of your own design, slowly leading towards less reliance on the free market capitalist system, allowing us to unplug and move in a sustainable and resilient direction. Sustainable because it allows us to be self-sufficient in communities, a trend that with time will allow individuals to be self-sufficient when the technology becomes advanced enough. Resilient because by learning how the technology works and how to repair and improve it, you can change and adapt it to meet your particular needs wherever you may be in the world. Owning the knowledge of how the technology you use works affords you autonomy. This also opens up a new educational path. In life we get two educations. One is given to us, the other one we give to ourselves. The open source direction provides us with open access to information to educate ourselves and others if we wish to. The possibilities from open sourcing information on how technology works are endless when you start to think about it. Imagine what we could create locally and globally by open sourcing the information behind energy production technology, food production technology and construction technology. We would truly be working towards a freer society. If you want to get involved and find out more, please visit opensourceeconomy.org, where you will find links to people and communities that already exist and that are forming. Actions speak louder than words. Let's collaborate.